Let's look at embedding Python objects into the grid and using their methods and attributes. This grid contains real Python objects. The objects are defined in a code block in pre-constants user code. As you can see, this is a standard Python object with a constructor that takes 3 arguments. We also have a str method which displays a human-readable version of the object. If I edit the str object, you can see the change taking place in real time. Let's undo that change. Now let's access the nickname attribute. That nickname is taken from the object. We can copy and paste this formula just like any other. If we double-click in this cell, we can see the updated result. I'll end this part of the demo by briefly showing you the post formulae section, where we have a custom format gangster method. We can use this method to change the way we represent objects in the grid. If we associated this method with the grid, then person objects can be shown with or without their nickname. For all other objects, their default formatter is used. To associate this format method with the grid, we uncomment this line. And again, the change in representation is instant. Now let's see a more advanced version. Here we're using another Python object, but this one is imported from an external Python file. The goal here is to see how we could start to build a custom VAT engine to help with our accounts. You can see that we have a grid containing regular values and tax breakdown objects. The tax breakdown objects are defined in this Python file. Note that the constructor takes 2 arguments, item and price. Once instantiated, the object creates a VAT value and a rate for the recycle levy. Note how we instantiate this tax breakdown object with values in A2 and B2. These are used as the item and price. Next, we extract the VAT and levy and sum the results to calculate the gross price. Note that we've also implemented a custom str method again. This makes these cells more readable. Finally, let's take a look at the post formulae block. These lines check to see if a row's gross price is over 25. If so, it changes the background colour to peach puff. Otherwise, it leaves it at the default. To get Resolver 1, visit resolversystems.com and follow the Download Now link. You can re-implement both of these examples in about 15 minutes if you code along with a screencast. The documentation page contains links to tutorials and more advanced material to get you started.